how to create a payment link on PayPal. All you have to do is sign into your PayPal account. Then we want to click on the request button here to the side. Afterwards, you have to choose the person which you want to request money from. You have the option of choosing up to 20 people. You gotta provide your name, username, email, or phone number. I'm just going to do this one as an example, and you want to click on next once you have selected the person. From here, you will type the amount which you want to request. And then you can also add someone else and give the reason for the request or creation of this payment link. Money for football. Okay, so once you do this, all you have to do is click on request a payment, and that is going to make the payment request show up in their home screen dashboard here underneath recent activity. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.